Hey, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to the Hot Rod Workshop. Today, we're gonna go pick up some parts for the Roadster pickup and also address some old parts that I've had laying around. All right, so we picked up some beautiful 1937 Ford takeoff parts. Picked them up in Allentown. I got the wheels sitting in the basement for when I'm ready to use them. Took apart the rear axle. Came apart like it was brand new. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. So I'll be able to tuck that underneath the frame. Started messing with the trans. Was able to unlock it. It's got a little bit of play in it, but you know, it's gonna need a rebuild anyway, so no big deal there. And I got the front axle sitting over here. I got that 48 Ford front axle and wishbones, but I think this one might end up working better in the long run. So I may be taking this apart the same way I took that one apart. So the plan right now is to clean up these axles, wire wheel everything, and eventually get them set up for 39 juice brakes. I'd like to keep the original drums intact. I haven't really ventured in to see if they're in decent shape, but the story that I got is that the original 37 Ford that these were on ran, drove, and stopped just fine before it was taken apart. So I got pretty high hopes. We'll see. I also started venturing into the 239 8BA. It was locked up pretty tight. I've had it for about a year, but I found the one piston that I pulled out was the troublemaker. It turns over pretty nice now. but we'll see what we can make out of it. So yeah, we're gathering pretty much the majority of the parts that we need to make this car happen. So once we get the body in a better spot where it's at least one piece and we're in a state where we're actually finished welding, then who knows, maybe I'll snake in some chassis work to kind of break up the monotony of it all. But also got to clean up a lot. We're gonna run out of space in here real quick. But until next time, thanks for watching.